Come test drive the 2016 Range Rover Sport. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Powered by intelligence, brilliance by design, Range Rover Sport is in a class of one. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.